So the place is really very nice. I'm really enjoying my stay here. And it seems the dogs are enjoying here too. So earlier same dogs were sitting there at my sofa. Now they're just enjoying because rain has stopped. This beach is not really as clean as you would have, imagined, or probably, it's not as clean as it is shown there in the picture. But yeah, you get the same vibe what you get at the beach. And even though I see there are many hoardings which is claiming that you can surf here, but by just looking at the waves, I don't really think that we can surf here. Waves are really very high and also it is quite uneven. So yeah, probably someone who already knows surfing, they can still do it. But someone who is beginner in surfing, I think this is not for them. So this is how is the view. Feels quite close to the nature. Someone who's just looking for having good peaceful time, they should come here. And this dog is just running behind me. Is he chasing me? Yeah, both of them seems to be just coming behind me. And when I just look at them, they stop. So yeah, I'm just going to give you a little bit tour of this place. And yeah, the place is beautiful. And also probably in the morning I'll show you how is the sunrise view. But for now we are just going to have a quick short tour of this place. So these are the villas, and all of these villas are like 4-bedroom, and then behind this we have some villas which is 3-bedroom villas. Place is nice, and you can come with your car. You can park your car outside your villa, and then there is swimming pool as well. And also there is arrangement for barbecue, so there is some water arrangement, and so here you see arrangement for barbecue. But again, if it is raining continuously like it is raining now, then it's going to be difficult to use barbecue because it is just there in the open. I'm loving the view. I'm really loving the vibes here. Looks quite good. And this is almost I have come here for the 4th time. Okay, and each time I enjoy the same way. From the last 2 times whenever I'm coming here, it is raining a lot here. Okay, so probably whichever date I choose seems to be raining that day. But it doesn't bother me because even in India I used to enjoy rain a lot. I do really like rainy season. For some reason people in Indonesia, they don't really like rain, or probably the people at least I have met here in Indonesia, they don't seem to be liking rain a lot. Okay, because probably here it rains every day, especially in the rainy season. So there is around 4 months of rainy season where it rains every day, which is not really common in India, okay, especially if you are staying around North Delhi. So I'm just going to cross over here. Okay, so all these villas which you see on this side, these are modern villas, and these are 3-bedroom villas. Okay, so these are not traditional villas. The villas which you see here on this side, these are traditional villas. Okay, so there is a lot of space, and resort is quite good. Especially the price which you pay for this is quite okay. I'm just really waiting for pandemic to be over, because once pandemic is over, then I'll be able to go across all the places. Right now there are so many restrictions. Even if you just want to move outside of Jakarta and move around, there are a lot of restrictions. And also these things keep on changing. So today there is restriction, tomorrow there may not be restrictions, then again day after tomorrow there will be restrictions. So it is becoming little bit of challenging in terms of planning proper travel. And also if you just want to go to other islands such as Bali, or you want to go to Sumatra or any other island for that matter, to go to any island you need to follow plenty of guidelines, and it really does take away all the fun which you have in traveling. So I'm just waiting for it to be over, and then we can again continue our travel. So in the meantime, these are some other places which you can enjoy. If you are one of those who stay in crowded cities, then this is a place you will be really enjoying, because it gives you, literally brings you in the lap of nature. And just hear the water sound. I do really like this sound. Makes you quite comfortable and peaceful. So now I'm just going to go back to my villa. And we'll come back here again. And I'm still working on other parts of the series where I'm going to tell you about common words between Indian language and Indonesian language. Okay, so yeah, first video was out yesterday, and then I'm going to make 4 more videos around that. I know there will be problem in the sound. You won't be able to hear me properly right now because there is a lot of sound coming from these big waves. Let's try to capture these waves from near. Whoa. Waves are quite uneven. Let's go there and see what is there on the other side. Right now there is only one person. As you can see, there is one person. In India we call them Gora. Gora means a foreigner, or anyone basically who's having white skin. Not really mean to be racist, but yeah, that's the common terminology used in India to refer to any foreigner. with white skin. Okay, not really sure whether these villas are part of, the same resort or not. Seems to be part of different resort. And also there is fencing there, so we cannot really go and see the other side. You can see there are some boats there. Yeah, there's nothing really much special there as well. So it's quite similar to what we see here. Okay, so this was just quick little tour of Ocean Queen Resort in Palabuhan Ratu, and so we are just going to stay here for a couple of days, and a couple of Indonesian families have joined us as well. So probably at night we are going to have some entertainment at barbecue and going to have some conversation around India and Indonesia, and probably some cultural exchange. So I'll let you know how it is, and see you again. See who's coming.